In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to sprint in LEGO Fortnite with a controller. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Sprinting or running in LEGO Fortnite using a controller is extremely simple. This is going to work for any platform where you are using a controller. It's gonna work for PC if you have a controller connected. It's gonna work for PlayStation, Xbox, and even Switch. All that you have to do to sprint by default in LEGO Fortnite is to press down on the left joystick as you are walking. So as you can see, I'm currently walking, and if I click or I press down on the joystick, I am going to start sprinting. So it is extremely simple to do. Your stamina bar is going to be depleted, and once it is empty, you will have to give it some time to replenish because your character is tired. But as it fills up once again, you can once more press down on the joystick and start running. You don't have to keep pressing on it after you press down once. As long as you press down on it as you have the joystick towards the direction that you want to go, you can let go after. So as you can see, I'm gonna do a tap here and boom, I'm running. I just need to keep moving the joystick around where I want to go. You will be able to go into the options or the settings of the game and browse through other controller mapping settings. Usually, you are able to change the sprint, although for controllers this might differ a little bit. Regardless, as long as you do it using the standard controls bound by default, you will be able to sprint by pressing down on the left joystick. It works for every single platform, and it's also useful when you're flying. So as you can see, if I do it while flying in sandbox mode, my character will do this Superman-like animation where I can fly super fast. So it is very nice to use, very convenient, and once you get used to it, you will always be sprinting around the map. So just remember to press down on the left joystick. I hope I was able to help you on how to sprint in LEGO Fortnite controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.